Hi, welcome to Cloud Institution YouTube channel, the best software training institute. So today we are going to discuss what is Azure. So today's topic is what is DNS. So Azure DNS is a hosting service for domain name system DNS domain that allow you to manage your domain name using Microsoft Azure infrastructure. It translates human readable domain name like www.example.com into IP addresses, enabling users to access resources easily. With Azure DNS, you can host your DNS zone and record, ensuring an high availability and fast response time and security through global Azure data center. It supports custom domain name, reverse DNS, and automatic scaling. Azure DNS also integrates the Azure Resource Manager, allowing automation and role-based access control, making it ideal for managing DNS in cloud-based application and services. So when you're talking about DNS, it's like a domain name system. So you already know how to create a web hosting and everything. Suppose you already created a web hosting. So you want to share that web hosting to someone else to check whether it's running or not. So at the same time, you can't give that IP. That means there are two IP, that is public and a private IP. So you can't share that public IP. Why? Because it's very confidential. So at that time, you can easily use DNS. So a DNS will create, that means a IP will be changed into IP. That means it will change into domain name. So at that time, we can use DNS and we can share the domain name system. That means a name can be shared to them. So with the help of that name, they can easily accessible. So I'll show you the demo so you'll get a more clarification. So I'll create a virtual machine. So I'm using Cloud Institution. I'm giving VM2. I'm not going to give any adaptive zones or anything. I'll change it to 22.04. Okay, then I'll give password. So I'll give the password. Next, I'll give HTTP. So why? Because I need to host a website or web hosting, that's why. Then directly I'll go to review plus create and I'll create it. So you can see right now I am creating it and initialize deployment, you can see it. So just wait. So you can see it is deployed, right? So I'll go to resource and I'll create a web hosting. So I'll copy this IP. I'll go to CMD. I'll write SSH space cloud institution @IP. Enter. Yes. And password. And also in last class we already discussed how to create a web hosting and everything. And if you want to go through that, please contact Cloud Institution YouTube channel so you can get more information and existing topic informations and everything. Okay. So I'll give sudo su apt install apache 2 tag y. cd space /var /www/html. Enter. Index dot nano space index dot html. I'll change this into high. Control X, Y, enter. So it has been deployed, right? So imagine I just want to give this IP, means I just want to give this web hosting. If I just want to give this web hosting to someone else, whether it is working or not and everything. So at that time, you can't give this IP. So this is very confidential, right? So at that particular time, we'll be using DNS. So right now, the DNS is not configured. So we'll configure, we'll click towards the not configured, and we'll give a particular name for this. So I'm giving webhost 011. Okay. So you can say webhost011.eastus.cloudapp.azure.com. So this is the link or this is the site which will be hosted. Okay. So this is the particular domain name. I'll save this one. So while saving, you can see saving public IP address. So this is saved. So after saving this, what I'll do is I'll go back to my virtual machine and I'll try to refresh. So when you try to refresh, you can see my DNS will be configured right now because we have already created, right? So we'll just wait. So you can see DNS has been configured. So I just want to check whether it has been working or not, or whether the web hosting is working or not and everything. So I'll copy and I'll try to paste it here. So when it is not working, you can use incognito window also. So I'll paste it here also. I'll click on continue to site. So you can see my web hosting high has been created. Just wait. You can see high has been created inside the DNS. So this is how a DNS will be working. That means domain name system will be working. So if you like our channel and if you like our content and everything, please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And more information, contact Cloud Institution. Thank you.